What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be something a little different. I'm going to be taking a ride behind the driver's seat, so I'm actually going to be driving my friend's Magnuson 2650 Camaro SS. As you know, it's my buddy Justin. So just give me a little breakdown of what we're dealing with right here.
Well, it's just kind of a simple setup for a supercharger thrown on an LT1 motor, fueling upgrades and all that from obviously CC&C, the only one. And yeah, I mean, it's 660 wheel, so it's got a little more horsepower than what your car has, but the torque is like 120 less. So that's why your car's a little faster.
You got some big old tires over here. What is this?
Street tires.
Got some Weld racing tires. So what are you doing with all that back there?
Oh, nothing. It's just street tires. That's it.
Sheesh. All right. Well, so this car's still on stock internals. If you're hungry, you got a little donut right here. Got a big old donut pulley. So pretty soon, both of these cars right here are going to be getting transformed a little bit. Both are going to get a little chop. Some nice. I don't even know how to explain it. I don't want to get too into detail because I'll make a video on that later. I have actually quite a few videos on both of these cars. They're getting shipped down, way down south, and south and east, somewhere around there in the middle of the country. But yeah, that's good. I'm gonna get a little driving video, and then he's also gonna drive my car. You haven't driven it since it's been tuned, though, right?
I've not. No. I drove it when it was still basically stock. Yeah. Intake and X-Pipe. That was it.
So now I got a little 85 in there.
Yeah.
What are you running right now? E60, E50, something?
E60 with still a little bit of fuel left over from shift sector.
It's got some of that C14 in there.
It's gonna smell good.
Dude, it smells awesome.
You gotta burn it off though.
Oh, I'm gonna have to adjust my seat.
A lot.
Oh, a lot. Let's see here. Oh!
It smells so good.
Alright, so I'm way shorter than Justin is, so I'm gonna have to adjust my seat here and get comfy. So the Camaro and the Corvette actually share a lot of similarities. Steering wheel, relatively the same, somewhat of the same dash. It's got a nice little N-gauge over here. Tells you all kinds of cool stuff. Yeah, got some carbon fiber in here. This is a fun car. It's a little rowdy. So this should be pretty interesting. I have not driven his car. Well, no, I take that back. I have driven his car very lightly, but I didn't really do any kind of crazy pulls or anything. So this time I am gonna get kind of a full reaction to it, and I'm excited. Oh shit! Get ready for this, boys. Oh my gosh, that's ridiculous. Holy crap, that was loud. So this car has full headers and exhaust, way louder than my car. Honestly, I can barely even hear my car over this. This is definitely a unique experience as opposed to driving in my car. In my car, you never even hear it. Okay, here we go. Holy shit. Dude. Dude, this car is so rowdy. Oh, and it's a little scary. So this car definitely like kind of kicks out, I think, more than my car does. Wow, this car freaking just kind of skates out on you a little bit. It's kind of scary. I think all the traction is turned off right now, just because there's something with the stability track. Holy crap, dude. This car is freaking wild. And a good thing about this car, so right here, as you guys can see, you can just literally pop it over into drive, rather than on my car, you gotta push up into drive. So that's a little different. Okay, what do we got here? Oof. Oh, dude, I love this car. That's so loud. See if he's gonna do a jump off. Dude, this is too fun. Dude, huh? Yeah. Where at? Right here? Ready? 1, 2, 3. My own car. What the hell? So I have to say, after owning my car for a couple years, I freaking love it. There's probably no other car that I would switch to rather than the Corvette, just because it's so easy to drive. It's very daleable, streetable, trackable. Is that a word? Trackable. Whatever. You can take it to the track. I don't know if it's just because I'm on stock headers. I just feel like I'm always like looking for a little bit more. All right, boys, I have to say this just might be the most like the rowdiest car. I think I've said the word rowdy like a million times, but I shit you not, this car is freaking wild. It's like, it's a little scary. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little scary. My car, I don't know, maybe just because I'm used to the platform, I'm used to the way it drives when I like get on the gas. I'm just kind of like, I'm still a little scared, honestly, in my car. I mean, if your car ain't scaring you, then it ain't fast enough. But like this car kind of like gets out, like it kind of, you know, gets a little squirrely in the tail end, and I kind of like it. All right, let's see. Oh, this is gonna be loud. Is there any cops? I literally barely got on the gas, I swear. Literally barely got on the gas, and it's just so loud. I can't tell you how bad my car needs headers. Even my wife, Madeline, I mean, we're all close friends, me and Justin and Madeline, but like the other day he like pulled off and was fucking flying, dude. And my wife was like, why doesn't your car do that? I was like, are you serious, bro? I was like, my car doesn't do that because I don't have headers. So I'll say this, my car gets, I mean, it gets attention because of the wrap and everything, and it's a Corvette. And I'm not gonna lie, like, I don't want to sound like cocky or something, but like looking at my own car in the like the rearview mirror and like watching it drive around, dude, I freaking love my car. Shit's badass. Sheesh, dude, this car is rowdy, dude. It's like whenever I was doing pulls, it like scared me a little bit, because your car kind of like dances like when you do like a second gear pull.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
With the stimulant track thing, it wouldn't let you do it wouldn't turn traction on, so it was traction control. That's traction control off with those tires. So.
That's why I was doing that. Yeah, no, it keeps it straight. I mean, it's not like it was crazy. That was a lot of fun, dude.
That was fun.
Woo-hoo. Sheesh, look at these big old tires, dude. Gosh dang. That was hella fun. How does your car look to you? Like when you see it just driving.
Dude, when it drives by, dude, even just driving, like sitting like right behind it, because even if when you were just like barely going up that hill in front of your house, like you can still hear the exhaust and just how loud it is. And it's just like, oh, I love it without the wing. Seeing it on the road without the wing.
Dude,
yeah.
I have to say, it looks fucking nasty without the wing. Yeah. I can't imagine that your car is going to be like 200 more to the wheels.
It's going to be wild. It's going to be wild. And yours is gonna turn into mine, because with the headers and with everything on it, it's then gonna be a rowdy car.
Oh, dude. Because your car, you like barely get on the gas. It's like, whoa.
Yeah.
It's like it just. And it was cool, like driving a muscle car. because like my car is a sports car technically, so it's like kind of just like quiet, nimble. This shit, dude. Like you get on the gas, like even doing like the third gear pull, I think it was like 50, just fucking slammed it. I was like, oh shit!
Dude, that shift from third to fourth in your car?
Dude.
Oh my god.
You feel it?
First of all, you can tell the trans tune. You can tell why.
Oh, yeah.
Like you can tell how fast it shifts in comparison to mine.
Oh yeah.
But just that shift, it's like, God,
It's like-
on that shift is like, it throws me back real
Dude.
fast.
So what did you think of my car? Like,
Dude, I loved it.
compared to yours.
It's so nice actually being in a car that's super fast. Well, like fast for like a daily car.
Yeah.
And then also like it's quiet. It's actually nice. It's actually super quiet.
So after driving my car, what do you think about like the way like you're used to your car? Like how does it differ? You know what I mean?
Your car? So like I've always said like when I first got my car back with the supercharger, it was like, oh shit, this is fast. Like it feels more dangerous.
Yeah.
And then I got used to it.
Yeah.
But then hopping into your car, it feels like anybody can go ahead and just hop in and drive your car the way it is.
Right. It's not like too
It's easy.
It's super easy,
So
honestly.
easy.
It's kind of like just plan it and goes.
Yeah.
This shit
Like,
is
you don't have to worry about
freaking
anything.
scary, dude. I'm not gonna lie, it was scary, but like in a good way. But you did have the old stability track thing.
Yeah.
So if that wasn't like that, but this car, like you just feel everything. Like it just like wants to plow through whatever's in front of it. Like it's rowdy, dude. I can't believe how crazy our cars are now, and then we're about to like go up like a whole nother level.
Dude,
I'm kind of scared.
dude, we're gonna get our cars back and we're just gonna be like, all right, like, yeah, you two guys just line up and see what happens. We're gonna be like, okay.
Dude, I shit you not, I'm a little scared. I'm a little scared. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Super fun time driving my boy Justin's Just Bay Area SS Camaro. Magnuson 2650 supercharged. Like I said, about to get some forged internals thrown in there. A little dual nozzle action, some little secret sauce. It's gonna be freaking crazy. But yeah, just stay tuned for that. More to come on both of these cars, and I'm gonna be able to get video of them being built. Hopefully, I'll have more on that later. But guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.